Okay, welcome to part 4, and this is how to publish anything that you have on your whiteboard instantly onto your blog. This requires a few moments of setup before the class. So log on to your Google Drive, open up your blog. In this case, if you remember, click on More, Blogger, and then this is the class here. And actually I'm going to create new post. And again, if you remember, I said here before we have compose. This is you can write on here like it's like a Word document or HTML. And people will either think, oh, HTML, and they get a bit kind of stressed out. But HTML is, in this case, is very easy. How we're going to use this. So this is our blog set up ready before the class. And actually, you can publish all kinds of Google documents onto this. But in this case, we're going to publish our Google Draw document. So then also open up your error correction page. I guess at the start of the class this is going to be blank, but now we can imagine that we're coming towards the end of the class. Okay, so these 3 tabs are open. I've got my Google Drive, I've got my error correction, and I've got my blog. Now how do I publish this paper onto the blog? In as few clicks as possible. So perhaps you want to use the mouse, perhaps you can do it on the whiteboard after practicing. Click on File, go to Publish to the Web, and you get this document. You've got a document link, which would be actually, this is just a website link. But then here we've got something called embed code, and it's the embed code that we're going to put into our blog. So click on there with the mouse. In this case I'm going to right click and copy, and it gives me actually this is HTML code. And if you remember, if I close this, go back to my blog, and then here is our HTML, right click and paste, and then this is my HTML. It's just put into my blog. And to get it up onto the web, I just click publish. So that sent my post to the blog. Cannot see it just yet, but if I click on View Blog, then there we go. And this is useful. It's got the class name here. It's got the date that it was published, and then there is my error correction. My whiteboard up on my blog. That's the end of part 4, and in part 5 I will talk about how we can use this or something similar to set homework, and for us to get the students to interact a little bit with this. Okay, thank you for now.